The brutal Pahalgam attack claimed 28 lives and left many questions unanswered. The who, why, and how of it is for the security forces. Reports suggest four terrorists armed with American made M4 carbines and AK 47s opened fire on tourists, sending shockwaves across the nation. But the bigger question remains: how did the US manufactured rifles land in the hands of Pakistan backed terrorists on Indian soil? Days before the Pahalgam massacre, a BBC report has raised the alarm about abandoned American weapons in Afghanistan. Reports suggest nearly 500,000 American weapons seized by the Taliban in Afghanistan may have been sold or smuggled to other extremist groups. The weapons were abandoned after the previous US administration's hurried withdrawal. The UN reportedly suspects that a portion of these arms now bolster the Al-Qaeda. But similar concerns have been raised by security officials in India.
22 और 23 अप्रैल की रात को तकरीबन 1 बजे आतंकवादियों की संदिग्ध हरकत को उड़ी नाले के नज़दीक दुश्मन के एक नज़दीकी लॉन्च पैड पे देखा गया। इस हरकत को देखते हुए हमारी सर्वेलेंस, हमारे ड्रोन्स और साथ ही ज़मीन पर लगाई हुई हमारी एम्बुश पार्टीज़ को रीडिप्लॉय और रीसाइट किया गया।
There is evidence to suggest that NATO weapons left behind in Afghanistan have made their way as far as to India's Jammu and Kashmir. In the past, Indian security forces have seized modern American weapons from eliminated terrorists and Pakistani infiltrators.
A strong message coming from Amit Shah's side that these Pakistani bullets are not going to shake our resolve to fight against terror, and all those perpetrators will be taught lesson and they will not be spared. And you rightly said, because these 4-foot soldiers, they came from Pakistan, they seem to have recently infiltrated to this side of the border, and they were here with a mission to kill and spill blood of innocent unarmed people. And that's what exactly they did in Pahalgam area in South Kashmir when they came with the AK series rifle. They were carrying with them M4 carbine, US made weapon guns also, and they were carrying with them steel-coated bullets, because already those steel-coated bullet cartridges have been recovered from the spot by forensic team. You rightly said, because this clearly exposes Pakistan's role, because after carrying out the attack, they were in touch with their handlers across the border. They had communicated with them that they have carried out this attack.
Terrorists operating in the region have reportedly been seen wielding M4 carbines, M249 machine guns, and other advanced gear once used by US and US-backed Afghan forces. Notably, Taliban's takeover in 2021 led to the abandonment of a large amount of US-shipped military equipment, including firearms, vehicles, and other gear. Some of this equipment has been traced to black markets from where they are being sold to various groups, including terrorists in Kashmir. Remember, in 2021, the Joe Biden-led US government had officially withdrawn from Afghanistan. The withdrawal has been criticized by many, including the US President Donald Trump.